The Chinese-made Nautilus is Lincoln's best-selling crossover by far. Lincoln sales increased 28% last year to 104,823 total units. The strong showing was driven by the new Aviator and Nautilus models. Ford's luxury brand reached its highest retail sales figure in 17 years. Lincoln sales have been on the downside for the past few years, but they got a big boost from a surprising source, China. But we're not talking about Chinese sales, we're talking about imports. The Nautilus, which comes from the Changan Hangzhou Assembly Plant, is Lincoln's best-selling vehicle by a significant margin. Fourth quarter sales increased 88% to 10,241 units, while annual sales increased 50% to finish the year at 36,544. The crossover comes standard with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower, 186 kW/253 PS, and 280 lb-ft, 379 Nm of torque, while 39% of customers opted for the hybrid variant. It adds a 134 horsepower, 100 kW/136 PS engine to the mix, giving it a combined output of 310 horsepower, 231 kW/379 PS, and 295 lb-ft, 400 Nm of torque. More importantly, the fuel economy rating improves to 30 miles per gallon city, 31 miles per gallon highway and 30 miles per gallon combined. Lincoln sales were also boosted by the facelift Aviator. The facelift helped boost interest, with annual sales increasing by 62.3% to 25,235 units. Even the aging Corsair had a good year, with sales up 12.8% to 27,513. Speaking of oldies, the old Navigator fell 11.5% to 15,531 units. But help is on the way, with a redesigned Navigator coming this spring. Unfortunately, it's ridiculously expensive, starting at $99,995 before the $1,995 destination fee. That's a lot more than the facelift Cadillac Escalade, which has a larger 55-inch screen and a more modest $87,595 price tag. Overall, Lincoln sales were up 28.1% for the year to 104,823 units. The company also said it had its best annual retail sales since 2007.